Alright guys, we're pulling this radiator out of this 2003 Ford Taurus. We got it draining right now, and it's going to have to come out the bottom. It's got a whole ton of brackets. Here's a new one. These transmission cooler lines are a pain in the butt. You got to pry these plastic clips off after you get the metal tab, security tab off. It's been a pain in the butt. They get it really tight. I mean, it's tight to get all this stuff. You wouldn't think it, but all these lines are in the way. And then of course, to get this radiator hose off, well, you can't even see it. It goes back in there. Yep, so looks like everything's gonna be a pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to take the battery tray and battery out of there to get to that upper radiator hose. There you go.